108. But however, I did get in the Eastman Kodak. Originally I got in at 1,100 shares. Let it run up a little bit. As you can see now, I'm still in 500 shares, up $100 on that. Let me see if I can trim down some of those shares now. See if I can sell 300 of those at the 572, which is the last. Okay, see if we can generate a sale there. Alright, selling at 572. Okay, that sold it off. So now I'm still long 200 shares of Eastman Kodak. I got a profit and loss here. Let me see. Okay, we're up. Let me see. It says 285 so far. Remember, I told you earlier. Today is September the 1st, 2009. The time is 9:41. Let me see. Here it is now. Okay. So, you know, if I, like I said earlier, if I see a big move, I'm going to take it. I have been watching Eastman Kodak for a few days now. They pop. Let me pull a screen up for you here. I don't know exactly. I didn't necessarily catch the news and determine why this particular stock began to rise. But however, it was on my watch list, as you can see. As you can see here. Let's go to a 5-minute chart. Okay, we got a price reversal just came in. Let me see. Okay, let me see. We got a price reversal came in on the 1-minute chart. All right. Okay, we're up currently $38 with the 200 shares. That's 16 a piece. Okay, now I'm going to continue to stay into this stock as long as you see the volume coming in. As long as I don't see any price reversal. I see reversal coming in now. Let's see if we can shave. Let's see if we can close it out. I see it going down. I see selling coming into the market here. Let me see, close out. I want to close out 50%. Okay, so we still have 100 shares. And okay, as you can see here, okay, I see a potential doji. Okay, now it's continued to rise higher. 571, 571. Okay, we're up. Is that 282 for the day? I'm not taking any chances now. Okay, we see potential selling coming into the market. 68. Okay, I'm not taking any chances in this market. This is a very, very rough market to play. If in fact you do have an opportunity to gain, I advise that you, okay, so we had closed gains right here at 108, 163. You can have closed losses of 33, 21. Keep your, I necessarily haven't been using stop positions. I've just been kind of watching it. Okay, we see it slipping. At this point, the high of the day is 573. We said last price for 570. Okay, it's slipping a little bit. That's, I mean, keep in mind that whenever you have a stock that just takes off like an airplane and just continues to rise up, it is going to fall back a little bit. But right here, we have moving average lines. What I'm going to do is stay into the stock as long as it's above this moving average line right here. As long as it continues to stay over this moving average line, I'm going to stay into this stock. In fact, I may add to my position, and I may play the technicals a little bit. 72, 76. I don't like chasing stocks. In fact, I'm going to, well, let's stay in here. We're up 23, 286 on the blotter. Okay, let me see here. Look at the intraday chart. Okay, we'll look at the intraday chart right here and kind of see what's going on. Okay, now we're going to look at a, okay, I can see that it's starting to slow down. Let's see, 575. We want to ride this stock, continue until it loses steam. When it begins to lose steam, that's when we want to get out of this company. All right, I'm bringing another chart here. So you can see these price bars here. Very, 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 very good volume. Very good volume. See the volume bars here, here. as it rises here. You see the 5-day moving average. It just clears. Look right here as it just clears right above the 5-day moving average there and here, and it just does it so wonderfully. This is a company that I definitely just want to stay in. As you can see, what I did is scale down my position. I mean, originally I started out with 1,100 shares. I could have possibly kept the 1,100 shares, but like I said earlier, I'm not trying to buy at the absolute bottom or sell at the absolute top. What I want to do is get as much green on my screen as possible. You know, like I said, if I come into the market and if I can generate a gain of $287 or $300, that's, you know, that's fine. That's $1,500 a week net profit. If you, like I said, if you can come into this market or any market and you're able to make, you know, $1,500 a week, $1,000 a week, I mean, you're doing fine. $500 a week, you're doing fine, depending upon how many hours you're putting into it. And at this point, I have 2 hours into it. As you know, as I said earlier, I do trade the pre-market because I find that before the market opens, I can take advantage of price movements based upon certain economic data that's coming out and certain price swings in the stock. And you can see Eastman Kodak is starting to slow down a little bit. The high for the so far today, September the 1st, is 577. You see it slipping down to 573. Okay, we're up $20, which is a 20-cent movement per share. Now, I've been watching this stock since it was 515. I decided to get in. I didn't get in. I seen it move to 530 and 550. I said I better get in this thing. Okay, now we see a little stalling that's taking place right here, and I don't like stalling. A lot of times, what a stock will do when you see price increases, such as, you know, it just takes off. Okay, now, we see selling pressure. Now, it did just cross that line. What I'm going to do now is close out my position 100%. Why did I close out my position? Because I had already stated see this little wick. Now, it didn't necessarily close below the moving average. I have a 5-day moving average right here, and in fact, it's above it. I mean, I'm satisfied. You know, we closed out 288 minus 33 minus 21. You know, we're up, you know, like 150, 160 for the day. Brokers' commissions are real low. I haven't traded that many shares today. And like I said, you don't want to sell. You don't want to try to figure out what the bottom of the market is and what the top of the market is, because chances are you're going to be wrong. And you're going to constantly continue to miss money, and you're going to chase stocks. Now, what we have here is a simple moving average. That's what I go by, a simple moving average, which is this blue line. This is a 5-day simple moving average line, meaning that over the last 5 days, average, this stock has traded at these price levels. As you can see, I'm out of the market right now. I don't have any more positions, which is up here, position 0, pending position 0. Using technical analysis, which is the study of charts, I was able to get out the market, and I was able to sell Eastman Kodak. We got out at 69. We got out right around here. Now, as you can see, it was some sellers came into the market. Now you can see buyers coming back in. Well, like I said, once it crossed this moving average line, I decided to sell. I am a short-term investor at times. At times, I'm a